Presenting Fire-Boltt Visionary Smartwatch. It is also available in pink, blue, champagne gold, dark grey, gold, green, silver and black colors. It has a premium 368 by 448 pixel resolution and 1.78-inch AMOLED display, which comes with the always-on feature. The smartwatch is fit to withstand sweat, dust, dirt and sand, and is resistant to submersion up to a maximum depth of 1 meter in fresh water for up to 20 minutes thanks to IP68 water resistant. It has an internal storage memory of about 128 megabytes to store your songs and listen to local music. From SpO2 tracking to real-time heart rate tracking, stay fit always. With breathing exercises and women's health, the smartwatch is fit for each use and purpose. It also does a wonderful tracking job with over 100 sports mode at the gym. The sedentary reminders help you stay hydrated and active, a step to a healthy life. It enables you to make and receive calls directly from your watch via the built-in speaker and microphone. Command your watch and let the magic happen with AI voice assistance. Do not miss out on any notification that you receive on your smartphone. Click numerous pictures and listen to your favorite songs with just one tap.